What's good, y'all? It's your boy Whisper Thing, and I'm back up in this thing, baby. So finally doing it today. We're gonna get the side marker install on my Camaro right here. We're gonna get these things tinted so they ain't looking these ugly colors no more. So here's my side markers right here. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. So I've actually got markers to tint. This is the third brake light, and this is on the lower valance. I don't need these since I have the GM smoke tint, so I'll just be putting these tinted side markers on right here. Wow, I got stickers. We put in the Whisper Thing stickers. These ones are orange. I know they kind of look red. I think we're gonna go with the white. I think that's gonna contrast on my car the best. Stay tuned for the end of the video, you guys. You see it, Metro Restyling Vinyl Wrap. I need help picking out my wrap color. And you guys, don't forget, I'm selling my Borla mid-pipe with AFM valves. Link to the eBay description down below. Alright, you guys, let's get to it. I got some soap and water right here. I got a heat gun to evaporate the water, credit card, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up first. Take a clean rag, spray a little bit of the water and soap onto it. After I get all the big dirt off, I like to hit it with a little bit of the rubbing alcohol to get whatever I missed. That way we know it's totally clean. So you want to find the one that lines up, same shape as this side marker. That's the one. Spray a little bit of the soap and water on here again. And now you actually want to spray a little bit on here too. And putting this soapy water on here will allow you to position it once it's up here. It ain't perfect, but it looks pretty damn good, y'all. I ain't mad at that. Wipe some of this excess water out. I don't know if you guys can see here, but like, it doesn't fit just totally perfect, so I'm gonna try to tuck those edges in. Hopefully this pulls back a little bit once I hit the heat gun on it. Put the heat gun on low. There we go. Chill for a minute. Let's get the other side. I got this side all taped off already. Peel this tape back, clean it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I already cleaned it up with soap and water. So here we go, you guys. We got it knocked out. We got them put on. We got my stickers put on my side windows here. I love the way that it came out on my side stickers. I went ahead and went with the white like I was talking about. And then we got the side markers finished off. I love the way that it's looking with my dark Nightfall gray. If you guys don't know what Nightfall gray is, it's a special gray that they only made for the 2017 Camaros. It just blends in. It makes everything look dark. It works with the stealthy look. I've got the tinted windows. I've got the black wheels. So it all works. Don't mind my car. It's a little bit dirty right now, but you guys can get an idea what it looks like with the light on it. Now the sticker, let me show you guys. The sticker doesn't quite cover, so the sticker doesn't quite cover like every single part of the light, but once you step back a little bit, you can't tell. I can't tell at all, so I'm okay with the way that it turned out. It's all gonna blend in. Nobody's gonna notice but me and y'all. But yeah, man, I can't say how happy I am. Sometimes it's the simple things on your car that just changes the whole look of it. So I'm very happy with the way that this is looking. Dope for sure. And now don't forget, you guys, I'm selling my Borla X pipe with the AFM valves. I'm going a different route on my car, as you guys already know. So go ahead and check out. I got the link down below for the ad that I have on eBay if any of you guys are interested in it. I'm selling it for a really good deal. All right, I want to get you guys a look when the lights are actually on. Now you can't see it that well on camera, but you can see it popping through a little bit. You can see it a little bit better in person, but it's way darker. Oh yeah, especially this back one. You guys can't hardly see that on camera at all. Yep, it's way darker. I'm loving this, you guys. I don't know why I waited so long to put these on. I've literally had these stickers since like Christmas or something like that. I was tripping not putting these on. But anyways, let's check out these wraps I'm talking about, y'all. Still love this exhaust though, y'all. Wow, so here it is. Time to check out these wraps. Now I just want to preface this before I get too far into it. My favorite color is orange, so that's definitely the kind of color that I think I'm gonna be looking for. So check out the samples I bought. First is like this camo. It's got the gray, the black, the orange. I don't really like the orange as much in person though. I don't know if you guys can see that in the light, but it's kind of like dull and I don't know, I'm just not liking it as much. Wow, that's just too bright for me. They call this, what they call this, satin neon orange. I just can't do it.
That shit there?
This is definitely too bright. Glossy, fiery orange. Now this color, you guys, this ain't half bad. Let me see if y'all can see this. Now this color, you guys, really ain't half bad. I like this color a lot. This is definitely an option. Gloss fiery red. Then I got this color, what they call a gloss papaya orange. I don't know, it's like too red or something. I don't want mine that red.
No can do.
And then there's this one, matte iced titanium. So this one has like a satin matte kind of a finish. I'm really feeling this one. It's kind of coming down to between these two. They're sort of similar. Damn plane messing up the whole shot. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. If you guys are liking the glossy, put a number 1. If you guys are liking this matte ice, drop a deuce. I think I'm liking number 2, y'all. This is kind of what I'm leaning towards. So don't forget, I got my exhaust on the way. I ordered it like a week and a half ago. It's still not shipping until next Monday. 2 weeks just to ship that damn thing. Damn, Corsa. But anyways, this your boy Whisper Thing. I'm up out this thing, baby. Peace.